I know some people,
They don't get time for
they would
rubbish.
die for me. We run together. They're my family. When I get up.
Hey guys, good morning. Hey, finally it's sunny today. The sun is very hot, so I just sat close to the window, like opposite my window, so that I'll receive all the vitamin D or vitamin E, whatever it is that is coming from this sun. It's been raining back to back. Yesterday it was raining very heavily. You guys, a couple of times, Hubby and I, we've had like arguments of who is more careless. And he always say I'm the careless one. Sometimes he even takes some stuff from me if I want to like get hold of them. He'll be like, no, I will keep it myself. You are too careless. Like, you guys remember when I lost my documents and all Jasmine's documents. So Obi normally just like get hold of those important documents ever since that time. But you guys, guess who just lost his bank card? My husband. I know I'm careless, so but mine is not like because I'm careless. Sometimes it's just by mistake. Some things happen, right? But he's the careless one. Yesterday he went to like sort out some things at the bank and he did some payments, right? This morning he went to get fuel for his car and he was about to pay and he couldn't find his bank card. He started calling me to ask me if I took it. I'm like, no. If I want to take your bank card, I must ask you. I'm not that kind of woman that just go to her husband's wallet to take whatever thing she wants to take. I must inform you. Like, you will have to know that if this thing is missing, I took it. I said, no, I didn't take your card. In fact, I don't need it for anything. The last time I took his card and he was aware of it, that was on Sunday last week that we went to do some stuff. Then when we were coming back, I went to the supermarket to get groceries. So I just took his card. You guys saw when I was doing the groceries alone. I said, that was the last time I took your card. So I didn't take your card. And now he's looking for his card everywhere. Lucky for him, he has some cash with him. So he just paid for the fuel that he bought. But now he doesn't know where he kept his card. I've searched everywhere for him in the house. I can't find it. So I just told him that, look, go to the bank, go block that card. If there's anything you want to use money for this period of which we have things to use money for, send those money with your bank app, transfer it to my account. We use same bank. So that's what he's doing this morning. Tomorrow is Valentine. Person don't they lost card. I'm not laughing, Sha. Diana, stop! I'm not laughing, no, but at least this will prove to him that nobody is careless. Like, things just happen because he's always saying I'm careless. So things happen sometimes unintentionally. So I hope this proved that to him. And this is the second time he's losing his card. The first time he lost his card was 2022 or so, while we were pregnant for Jasmine. Or almost time to give birth, and we needed that card to do stuff. The card just disappeared, so I've told him to go block the card since he can't find it. Before they will send him a new card, it will be like 10 days to 2 weeks or so. Guess who just called me? Hubby just called me and said he has seen the card. You guys, do you know where he saw it? In the bank. Yesterday, he went to do some transaction in the bank. I think I mentioned earlier. Then, because of excitement of what he was doing, he left the card, not on the table, not anywhere, inside the machine, and came home. He was telling me he brought that card home, like he put it in his wallet. I said, it's impossible. I was telling him, my mind is telling me that card is in the bank. Go and check first before you block it. He said immediately he got there, they said, let them open the machine to see if he collected it from the machine or he left it. They opened the machine, the card was inside. You guys, what is exciting here? I will tell you guys in another video because I've not started posting it. So I'll tell you guys in another video. I will explain deeper then. but grateful for him that he has gotten the card back, because the stress of going to the police to make a report, then block the card, then wait for a new card. Hey, the kind stress way for stress. But thank God though, tomorrow is Valentine. At least they could take me out. They could take me out. To thank God they don't give me my own Valentine gift. My 1K, it is inside my own account. I don't go deposit am for my account. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. You guys, Diana likes to climb the stairs. Oh yeah, go, mama. I went to pick Jasmine from school. See Diana. Diana, yeah, move. Or mama will carry you. She doesn't allow me carry her. This is what they gave Jasmine in school for Valentine. Like, their teachers are really trying. Honestly, they have time in their hands to be creative, to do so many things. Anytime they are doing like Valentine, Father's Day, Mother's Day or celebration, they usually do something. As far as school is in session, they will do something for the kids to bring home. For who? For mama? You guys, immediately Jasmine came back from school, I was supposed to start losing her hair because she carried this particular hair last week and this week. So Bobby even wants me to lose this hair last week, but this week, but I said no, she should just carry it to school. So today is Friday, tomorrow is Valentine, which is Saturday. So I don't know if we'll be coming out tomorrow. And her hair is already rough. Look at, the hair is already rough. So I forgot things. I just remembered now. I started losing the hair. We've been on it for like over an hour. Diana will not let Jasmine rest. Hey, now so it be. Diana is always disturbing Jasmine. Like, as I'm losing her hair, she's coming here to drag her hair. This girl, now she's coming down. She wants to go and push my camera. That's what she wants to do. Just watch. Now she knows how to come down from all the steps in this house, all the step down, the bed. Like, she can climb and come down from anywhere. I'm always scared when she's alone and I'm in the kitchen. I don't even leave her alone because like she will do terrible things. See.
Family. We would laugh and we play.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Valentine. You guys, I woke up quite early this morning so I can make the jollof rice I wanted to make last night before I cut my hand. I injured my hand yesterday. I showed you guys, right? But I did first aid, use these stitches. They call it shirot here. Yet, you can see it's still bleeding. I cut my hand mistakenly last night. I just left the turkey. So this morning I had to finish up to cook the jollof rice. We were supposed to even come out too, but it's been raining. When I mean rain, not normal rain. No. You see how it's rain. Yeah. We are hearing back. I said, this one no be rain. No. When I came out, I saw these eyes. It was rainy eyes, and we just knew today we are going nowhere. We are in this house, so I just made jollof rice usually and turkey. So it's almost 12 p.m. We don't have water at home. I didn't remember to buy water the last time I went to the supermarket. It'll be the same thing. So we just managed to go out inside this weather to go get water. We drink water a lot. That's why we always stock up the house with water. So we have just 2 bottles and it will not be enough. So I just went out to get that. Let me show you guys the jollof rice I'm preparing. Already I fried the turkey. I fried it after the jollof rice was ready. The jollof rice is not much, so I asked Hubby to buy plantain, ripe one if it's coming, so I'll just fry plantain. So that's what we are going to have for today. What's your plan for today? This weather, hey, when they say Valentine, you know now, they'll say Valentine. Let me go talk the rest. This kind of cold weather. More than no yes, I don't go carry belle. Like the weather is so cold, the rain and everything. Hubby is home. It's Saturday, yes. So, anyways, my plans for today, since we can't come out, is for us to just be watching movies. Like, yeah, we'll just watch movies, and that's it. Tomorrow, Sunday, if we have clear weather, we'll come out. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Why is it not looking like this? Hey guys, I'm going to get pizza. Who be that? I'm going to get pizza. We ate jollof rice in the afternoon for lunch, but this evening, I don't even know what I want to eat apart from pizza. As I was saying, I'm going to get pizza. Hubby said he's going to eat salmon. I'm going by foot because no parking space. I don't want to just go through the hassle of looking for parking space. So I'll use my 2 legs. I'm even close by. Hopefully the place is not jam-packed. If not, you wait and wait. As it's coming out, someone is buying. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
Quello che dico sempre, bisogna metterlo là, invece cominciano a fare così, poi
Hey guys, good morning. See, it's past 10, no, past 9, I think 9:30 or thereabout around this time. My husband did not tell me yesterday that today being Carnival for the children, they need to wear their Carnival outfit to school. He only told me he spoke with the teacher, and the teacher said the jacket must not be black because they previously told me to wear them black jackets. He didn't tell me they will wear it to school, because today they will still assemble at the municipality for their Carnival. All my hope, I was thinking that is when they will wear it, by 2:15 p.m. Only for me to bring Jasmine to school this morning, all the kids are all dressed on their Carnival outfits, singing and dancing. You guys, I was embarrassed. So the teacher was like, what happened? Your husband said, yeah, he's going to buy a mask for Jasmine. He's going to buy so and so. I said, yes, he bought all those things. Even I found a dress. You guys remember I was looking for one skirt. But later I found a dress, a princess dress, perfect for the Carnival. I was embarrassed. I had to rush home. Thank God I was with the car. I rushed home to go and bring the stuff for Carnival for Jasmine, the shoes, the everything that I already got for her to wear. So I came to her school. See, I had to change her up. I brought like 3 different options. I had to change her up immediately in school, and now I'm going home. See, my husband and I were going to pull leg in one trouser because he's the one that caused this whole thing. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, how you all doing? I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's windy. They said we should come around 2:15. Guess what? It's after 3 already, and we are now on our way. I had a lot to do today, so I'm a bit late, but it's fine. I dressed Jasmine up as a princess, Diana as a Disney princess as well. But Jasmine broke her crown immediately she came back from school. So now she's using mask. I will show you guys when we get to the hall. I'll be waiting. Diana. Diana. You guys, we came late though. They are done, like done. So right now I want to take the kids to what's it called, photographer shop to snap both of them and have it print out. Then I'll go buy ice cream for Jasmine. Then we'll go home. Oh, you both know they do African time. When they tell you 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock is 2 o'clock. If you come outside that, you're on your own. They don't get time for rubbish. Hey, Hubby will laugh at me today, oh. Because when he got back from work around 2:30, he was like, you are still at home? I said, yes, now. Before they will be done, I will be there. He now said, okay, let him take a shower and come over. I've not even called him to let him know that they are done. Me himself, waka come. Anyways, I'm going to the photographer shop. If I cannot take it there, I'll just go have the picture done at home, then print it out myself.
Jasmine, la mossettina, brava. Un sorriso?
Jasmine, sorriso, smile.
Smile. Brava, smile.
Remove your hair.
Le manine,
Le manine
brava.
qua, così.
Così. Brava, bravissima.
Più vicino alla sorellina.
La sorellina, poco così. Brava, metti un piedino tipo un po'. Così. Brava.
Jasmine, Jasmine, lingua
La
no.
bocca,
Levati un attimo, capelli su.
maschera.
No maschera. Aspetta.
Sì, vai.
Questo così. Posto, Jasmine?
Vicino alla sorellina, poco, Così è brava.
Sì.
Aspetta, piedini. Ok.
Jasmine, levati le mani di là.
Lava le mani. Ora la fa, oddio. L'altro non si vede. Come sta? Già tra lei. Così. E poggi le manine così, tutte e due così. Ce la fai? Jasmine, tutte e due qua. Ok? Guardate me, Ok? Jasmine?
Jasmine, ridi.
Sorriso, Jasmine, bravissima.
Vicino a Diana. E chiudi la bocca. Sì. Chiudi la bocca. Sorriso. Dai.
La posizione che...
You guys, a quick update. According to what they told me, the people I met there, they said they came to that place that I earlier went to, that I said no one was there, that they were done. Then they moved to another location. You guys, I cannot go there. It's too cold, and the breeze, you can see how windy it is right now. So I can't leave these kids under this kind of weather. So I'm taking them home. I can see the wind, so I can't leave them under this cold. I'm be going from one location to another. So we are done for today. I bought something for Jasmine to bribe her.
Thank you for watching.